Kulezi zinyanga ezintathu ezedlule sekubekwe izigameko zokubanjwa keinkunzi ezinkulisa E-Sedibeng nosekubeka engcupheni impilo ezingane.
A dark African guy with 2 children. He had the one in his arms. He said the other one was sleeping in the car. He needs space for them. They are turning 2 years. So I took the guy in. I showed him everywhere, or the claws, through the kitchen. My phone was lying on the fridge, so between loaves of bread, so it wasn't open to see, but he definitely saw it.
Lo msolwa uzenza umzali ugadla ngesikhathi uthisha enganakile.
And we come through the kitchen again, so at that moment he had to snatch it because I saw it on the camera when he was gone.
Laba abantu ababili kubikwa ukuthi bayingxenye yeqembu elihlalisa libhojozi izinkulisa E-Sedibeng.
There's always 2 of them. A father and a mother, pretending to be a father and a mother. Some of them also bring a child with them, children walking with them or sitting in the car. But the awareness that I want to just raise for the other ECDs and everyone working with children is once they're on your premises, there's no telling what they will do. And they come on there saying that they want to enroll their child.
Amaphoyisa athasalinde ulwazi olufanele ezikhungweni ezithintekayo kanti umnyango wezemfundo bungakaphawuli ngalolu daba.